Welcome back to Zik, the programming guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Tachiyomi app. So after installing the Tachiyomi app, the next thing you have to set it up. This is the first one where we tell you welcome, and this is like the theme. You actually choose if it's system or the lights or the dark. You can pick any one of your choice. So I like the dark one. I click on next. So you click on select a folder. So you can just choose to select a folder or create one for yourself, because I've created one for myself already. So after doing that, you go back and click on storage guide. So they'll be able to put you through on the storage guide. After reading that and going through all that, click on next. And once you click on next, you click on install app permission, click on grants. So you can be able to grant, so you'll be able to actually install other apps. And this one too, click on allow, click on next. After doing that, you can actually want to click on the backup and click on get started. So this is the app itself. So my library is actually empty. So what am I going to do? You can look below and see more. Click on more, and once you click on more, you go down to settings, and once you click on settings, you can see browse. So once you click on browse, you can see the extension repos, and click on add. So you can just add the extension. So let's use manga for example. Click on add. Okay, this is an invalid, so you actually need to go to the web browser and search for manga, and then copy the link and go and put it this. So this is actually how to use the Tachiyomi app. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.